In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom player in Madden 24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have made a custom player and you would like to use him in franchise mode, it is simple to do this. So first, I'm going to teach you how to create a player if you haven't made one already, and you can do this by going over to the Creation Center. So on the home screen, all the way to the right, you will be able to find this NFL icon, which is the Creation Center. Go here and then choose the third option, Create Players and Edit Uniforms. Of course, if you have already created your player, you can skip this, but in here, you will be able to choose Create Player and then manage everything. You can customize the player bio, so name, position, team, number, and so on, and then customize all of the outfit that he has. So you can change the gloves, the footwear, and so on. Once you have customized everything, you can also change the rating, attributes, and such. You can make a player all 99s if you wish. So once you have customized everything, go back to the home screen and then this time choose franchise instead. Under franchise, create a new one, and instead of using the real-life NFL roster, choose active roster. So this is where you will be able to import the characters that you have made. So choose use active roster, and now you will be able to browse through all of the teams. Choose a specific team, go into more options, and choose change role. When you select this option, choose the option to change the player roles, and then select active player. Now you will see a list, and all that you have to do is choose the player that you have created here. He is going to appear. You will see the name that you have set up, all of the stats, so for example all 99s, and after you select him from this list, he is going to appear under the roster, and afterwards you just have to start playing once your custom player has been selected from the list. So create one, make sure that he is saved, and then change the role for any teams available in the franchise mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to use custom player in Madden 24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.